entree is ready. It's for a large family.
Sure is.
Do you have a life preserver?
Why?
Your French fries drown in there.
What is this place?
It's a foundry town.
Tell me something. Do you ever let go? Really? So what do you do to relax?
Look for trouble.
No, I mean, do you ever get involved?
With a woman.
Yeah, a woman.
A real woman.
A real woman.
Now and then, nothing regular.
Why?
Well, let's just say that not many people could put up with the way I live.
Well, what if you found one?
I'd say she'd have to be a little crazy.